HSBC may be vying to become the first foreign company to sell shares in Shanghai. Bloomberg's Stephen Engel reports from Beijing.
China aims to set up an international bourse for foreign listings and overseas incorporated Chinese companies, aka red chips. People close to the matter telling Bloomberg News that HSBC has hired CICC and also CITIC Securities to advise it on a mainland offering. One of those two people, who declined to be identified, says HSBC may raise up to $5 billion in the second half of next year, 2010. The Shanghai Composite Index has nearly doubled so far this year. Companies raising $8.2 billion in Shanghai and Shenzhen since a 9-month moratorium on IPOs ended last month. The 5 companies that have gone public so far have jumped an average of 112% on their first day of trading, and all sold shares at the top end of their ranges they marketed to investors. They're not cheap, though. Brokerage Everbright Securities plans to sell shares on the mainland, valuing it at 59 times last year's earnings. So far, though, the pricey valuations have held up.
The Asia market is way so hot at the moment, and HSBC is such a quality global brand. I'm sure that they will sell like hotcakes. There is no doubt in my mind that when HSBC has an Asia issue, say, in Shanghai, it will go like hotcakes.
Credit Suisse and Morgan Stanley both raising their share price target on HSBC Wednesday, but analysts seem split on the shares, which have soared by a third in the past month alone. An A-share sale may help HSBC increase yuan loans and also expand what is already the biggest network of any foreign bank in China. HSBC has 87 branches already in China and is targeting 100 outlets by year's end. The bank has said it wants to list in China as soon as regulations permit. HSBC is not alone in trying to tap mainland investors. Standard Chartered plans to sell RMB-denominated bonds on China's interbank market. NYSE Euronext wants a mainland listing as well, and UBS in June said Coca-Cola, GE, and Walmart are among other U.S. companies that may seek to list on China's stock exchanges. Stephen Engel, Bloomberg News, Beijing.